Scam alert! May bagong investment scheme na naman ang kumakalat sa Facebook. This is Micron.ltd and as of making this video, meron ng around 3,000 plus shares and di ko alam ilan na yung mga Filipinos na na-recruit for this Ponzi scheme. Beware if may nag-aalok sa inyo ng ganitong investment. And explain ko lang that this is 100% scam. I'll explain to you bakit. Number one is there's actually a guaranteed daily earning in percentage. And walang investment na nag-guarantee talaga ng daily earning. Scam po pa ganun. Number two is the probability or yung profitability niya is naka-base on how many people you actually invite. So kikita ka if you're actually inviting other people. Number three is the identity of the owner sa website na to is actually hidden. No, hindi nagpapakilala yung founder nito. Number 4, the Trangco rank for this website is very low. Meaning konti lang yung bumibisita